My name is Guru Brian J. Dawa. CRI 314, code 6377. Article 13, mitigating circumstances. Paragraph 1. Those mentioned to preceding chapter. When all these requisites necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective causes are not attended. Paragraph 2. That the offender is under 18 years of age or over 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provision of Article 80. Paragraph 3. That the offender had no intention to commit so grave to wrong as that committed. Paragraph 4. That sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately proceeded the act. Paragraph 5. That the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense to the one committing the felony or delicit his spouse, ascendant, or relatives by affinity when or the same degree. Paragraph 6. That of having acted upon impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced passion or obfuscation. Paragraph 7. The offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority or his agent, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. Paragraph 8. That the offender is still paragraph 8. That the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, or otherwise suffering some physical defect which does restrict his means of action, defense, or communication with his fellow beings. Paragraph 9. Such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without however depriving him of the consciousness of his acts. Paragraph 10. Finally, any other circumstances of a similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned